Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover Apple ID if you forgot it. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Tap on sign into your iPhone and here you can see appears on screen don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. Just tap on it. As you can see appears on screen create Apple ID, forgot Apple ID and cancel. Just tap on forgot Apple ID. As you can see forgot Apple ID, you just tap on it, forgot Apple ID. Now enter your first name, last name and enter your email for verification. And tap on next. And now if you forgot password too, so tap on forgot password now. And now enter your trusted phone number. And tap on next. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now your Apple ID has been recovered successfully. If you need any help about iPhone or Android, you can comment me. Hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.